fish right there.
What'd you switch up to?
Look at that largemouth.
Nice.
That's a big one.
Need a net?
No. It's a big one though. I went to a Cinco.
That is a good fish.
Look at that
Wow.
one. That is a good largemouth.
Good job, Randy.
That is a good largemouth.
Nice one, dude.
Right there.
Nice. Man, look at you go.
That's a decent largemouth. Not as good as that last
Heck
one.
yeah.
That's a decent largemouth.
I'll take it.
Not what we're after, but where's those smallies? That's what we want to know.
After.
Where's those brown ones? Let me come off.
Outstanding, man.
It's all right. I just got eaten right there. Talking. Freaking coffee. And I look at the boat ramp like, it's like, I know that boat ramp. I said I hate that boat ramp. I was trying to remember because I was gonna comment and say, hey Dylan, that looks like so and so lake. I said, yeah, I know that lake.
Yeah, like I said, he said.
One grab it already.
For real?
Yeah. Big one too. Oh yeah, good one. He doesn't even know he's hooked. Nice smallmouth.
Nice job, Randy. I'll spot lock this then, because they're probably in a rock pile or something.
Yeah, I might be a group up now here. He's not going to win any tournaments, but man.
Wow, that's still a good one, man.
Good. I just threw it in there. There's what we're talking about. There's what we're talking about.
Man. Good job.
We found a couple here.
Get my.
There he is. What I got?
Got one out?
I don't even know if he knows he's hooked yet. Yeah, I think it's a snake. No, that's a smallie, dude. Probably a snake there for a second.
Let me reach over and grab him for you.
I think I got him.
All right.
Here's a smallie.
That's a good smallie too.
Yeah, he doesn't want to come up. Not a 5-pounder. This is in the area that I caught that last one. Oh, yeah.
That's a good size. How about those white bellies, man?
Yeah. Look at that. That's all right one.
Another one on the Senko?
Yep.
Good work.
Another good one.
Awesome.
A good smallie right there. That's not a rock bass. Skiing that guy.
Nice.
Skiing that guy.
Oh, this rock bass is almost the same size.
I know
It's a beast.
I know.
Doubles.
Those guys are big. Those guys are big.
Nice job.
Need it. Final.
Did you get him?
Yeah. That's a good board.
What the heck? Camera's too hot. Good joke. That's a beauty.
Yeah, not bad.
Sorry, my camera turned off.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
That's all right. I got it on mine, I think. All right.
It's overheating.
Decent largie. Gonna eat it or what? Yeah, okay, eat it. Followed it up and popped it a couple times. I was trying to knock the grass off is what I was trying to do. Trying to knock the grass off. Should be a pretty good video with all those fish. Hopefully we can get some more notoriety fish though. Got a couple.
It took too long for the backlash. Who's dragging? Got it? That's a good fish. grab him?
Yeah, I got him. He's good, but he's not that good.
Ah,
He's good, but he's not that
nice.
good. He put up a fight. He's been caught before.
Good
He's
deal.
got a whole-
Yeah. A little scuffed up.
He's got some battle scars. He got some battle scars. Battle scars. Take some.
Nice.
Largemouth.
That's a good one.
Yeah. I think he thinks he's brown.
Fighter.
He sure is.
Good fish, man. Beautiful.
Where's the brown guys? Are there any brown guys down there?